to you, students. In the last poem, I had given the introduction about the poem Kindness. Do you remember? So, if at all you remember, so I had mentioned a personality, that is Mother Teresa. And we also spoke about the previous lesson about the king of Mayward, the gestures that he had done towards the old man. Am I right? So here we are going to hear about the brief explanation of the poem. Now, what is the real meaning of kindness? Now, what do you mean by kindness? I have explained it to you in my previous session, in the previous video. So, what is the real meaning of kindness? Is that I only feel pity towards person and I don't do it in a gesture or do it in a deeds or in my action? Is that so? So being kind is not that. So being kind, when I feel pity to the person or to my own classmate or to my children in the neighborhood, what I do is I go and help them. Now what you can do at home, now since you are at home, what are the kind gestures it can be done by you? So you can help your parents, right? Then you can clean your house. Yes, then you keep your own room or your clothes or your cupboard clean. Those are the very little, very kind gestures that you are doing. Now if you help, if you clean your surrounding or your house, or you may help your parents, it is a kind gesture that you are doing towards your parents, because they may have a lot of work, and whereas when you help them, your little hands, when they help them, they will be very happy, and it is also a kind gesture towards your parents. Now, kindliness is godliness. So when you are kind towards another person, or when you are rendering certain help towards the person, God helps you, right? So kindliness is godliness. Just since we can't help God and we help our neighbors or the people around us. So now let's move into the poem. It takes a big heart and a brave soul to drive someone's troubles away. So now I see someone is struggling, or he or she is in a trouble. I directly don't go. I need to dare to go. Do all of us go? Do all of us do the kind deeds? In the society, we may be living with so many people, right? How many of them do the works? How many of them do it for the name and fame? So there are so many. So you need to have a dare, or you need to have a big heart. What do you mean by big heart? You need to have a generous heart. Big heart is nothing but generous heart. So you need to have a generous heart, and you need to have a brave soul. That means you need to have a daring spirit. So only then you will go to someone and help them. Everyone promises to offer help tomorrow, but very few can step forward to help today. So there are people, or what do we do is we promise that we will help, or we are going to help you tomorrow. But in our reality, are we going to help them? Because of our busy schedule, we forget, right? What are the promises we make at the beginning of the year, and we forget to follow it later on, right? Only we remember when the year ends and the next year comes, right? So here we promise someone to help, but whereas we really feel, or we really don't want to help the person, so we postpone it to tomorrow. but very few can step forward to help today. There are very few people who help the person today. Those who dare to act right now rather than later know the real meaning of kindness. So, one who dares to act right now. You take a decision now and you act upon it rather than later. The one who does that only will know the real meaning of kindness. It is not one who postpones or one who only just feels pity in words and so on, but the one who reaches out to the person or the one who helps now or today is the person, or the person who is with a big heart and with a brave soul is the person who knows the real meaning of kindness. It is this urge of wanting to make a visible difference is when kindliness actually becomes godliness. So now you take our day-to-day life. So when we need to do certain things for God, we are ready to do, right? We are ready to go any extent and we are going to write. We are going to do it. But if the same things come to a fellow being or a neighbor or our society, are we ready to do it? No, we fail. And sometimes we are so busy we don't even remember. And do we have this a kind gesture about visiting them at least? Do we follow that? No, we don't bother about the person who is left alone or who is lonely or who is orphan. So it is this urge of wanting to make a visible difference. Now, if I want a change in the society, I need to change first. So when someone asks help, I may suggest the names of others, but do I really help the person who has come to me? Or do I only suggest, or do I give any assurance, or do I render some help? No, I only suggest to others. So is when kindliness actually becomes godliness. So we try to be kind when we think God in our mind. So only we need to dare and we need to have a big heart so that we can be very kind, just like Mother Teresa, and she had rendered her service without considering anyone. So she has considered the poor, the destitute, and she did not consider the society, what society thinks about her. Though she had nothing, she worked for those people, and in whatever she had was very little, and in whatever she had rendered it to the poor. She had not kept it for herself. Neither did not say that I'll see it tomorrow or I'll do it tomorrow. What she has done was she had helped them right now or today. And this was a poem about the kindness, the kind gesture that we need to show about towards the other person, towards the people who are very lonely, who have no voice, maybe the orphans, the poor people, the widows, and so on. So being you children, what your work is, being kind towards maybe your own classmate. Now since you are in the families, you can be very kind, do the kind gestures, maybe helping your parents whenever you are free, instead of wasting your time on the phones and so on. So if you do, those kind deeds will also make you happy, your family happy, and at last the society also will be very happy. So I would like to stop here, children. So we have completed this poem, and in the next video we shall meet with in the next lesson. Until then, children,